Well, it's good, Safe. Good luck with that. That's an interesting project. Yeah, give us posted on that though. Autistical Dream Animations. That is a name and a half. What's good? Okay, that is our time, which means it's time to officially start the stream. What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is Adeno Entertainment, and welcome to today's stream. We're going to be continuing work on the game where you're a ghost and you possess people and use guns and you do fun stuff. Here, hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. Normal tracking to get me zoom in. There we go. All right, let me show you guys what we did last time. I think actually, oh yeah, what do we do? Yeah, we just added like this little enemies remaining thing. Pew, 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 pew. All right, cool. So we have a list of things we need to get done today. A death screen with a quick restart function, win screen with the level with time when the level is completed, a test level with multiple enemies and enemy AI that shoots. So these are pretty big goals, but I think we can get those done today in a pretty decent time fashion. So let's start with the first one, which is a death screen with a quick restart function. I think that'll be pretty easy to set up. Let's just get our input going and see what I don't have. There we go. Let's set a quick restart to just space if we're dead. They discovered a new color. Yes, I saw that. It's like called like what, Ulu or something like that. It's weird. All right, cool. Let's get a brand new screen. Sure if I didn't have one in my. Okay. There we go. Hey, Seven Flame, what's good? How you doing, dude? Let's see, do I want to? I've been making everything like a root control. Why don't I just make this a panel? No, let's do control now so we have something better to work with. Make that full screen. Cool. Call this one. Oh god. Call this one. That screen. And this is very bright. There we go. That's a lot better. Boom shakalaka. Let's add a panel to this guy. Make it that so we can do that. Make it that so we can do that. Turn off the grid temporarily. Death screen. We're gonna save this over scenes. UI. Boop. And make this like cool red. Well, not a cool red, but just like cool red color. There we go. And to our panel. Actually, we're not gonna have this based on the panel. We're gonna give it. We're gonna get a. What's the thing I'm trying to find off the top of my head that I can't find for some reason? Rich text label. I'm using these a lot. Even actually, how do I want this? I want. We want like just saying like you died and then restart. So we don't really need this to do anything too crazy except just be anchored to the top of the screen like Shift G to get our grid back. This is size, not location. And did I favorite that? I did. Skip position as a favorited property as well. Rusher blows. BB code on. I'm unmuted, that's good. If you're cheer slapping everyone at Boston's premium. What are you saying? There we go. That's cool. Okay, fit content. Center, top size. There we go. Font size is, whoa, okay. I don't think it's doing anything specifically because, or which one would affect just like my normal font size, or do I actually have to bold this first? There we go. I don't know. Because this is technically bolded now. Oh, cool. That is how it works. Awesome. Love when things work as intended. There you go. There you go. Panels. Control L select it. There we go. Oh, actually, I would rather have you center. Slide offset like that. There we go. And let's get Control, or I think is it Control D or Shift D? Control D, duplicate that, and just move it down. Theme overrides. I hope this doesn't affect both. It doesn't. Whoa. Oh, whoops. Get rid of the. Okay, cool. This isn't 100% centered, which is. There we go. And let's give this guy like the shake. Cool. How many videos do you think an average person eats daily too? If someone's down in 2 bit, actually, never mind. I feel like most bodybuilders are doing that. Alright, cool. So now that we have this setup, we actually need a couple things. Level stats UI is that, and this is attached to every level. I just realized if I have this whole thing set up, could I just do this? Go to the sandbox, because I'm pretty sure sandbox has the level setup screen. Here we go. Cool. And then death screen. This by default. Visibility, order material, the input is what we need to, or the mouse is what we need to ignore. There we go. And focus. Okay. So we need to add something to this guy right here. Script. Which text? Oh, not you specifically. We need to give you a script. And let's see if I organize that. Nope. Boop. Boop. Control. If, and is there anything that we can set up in our auto loads that would tell us? We have a signal bus. There we go. What is something I need to do specifically? Oh, yeah. We want a func input. If event that is action, oh, no. Action press, jump, and visible is equal to true. Sandbox. Let's just do like a signal bus here. Signal. Restart level. There we go. And on our death screen UI here, we're going to say signal bus restart level.emit. And the real question is, how do I want to do it? Do I want scenes? No, banner levels. There we go. guess we give a script to the main now. To do self that get child? No, it'd be weird. Get child. Oh shoot. I mean, this returns a node, right? Good, yeah. Oh, I called it a func instead of there. There we go. Get child 0. And level dot. So just like a reload or it's 5 years ago, which means it's definitely not the same, but this is
Get tree.reload current scene will restart the current scene or level that you were in. Get tree will grab the core of the scene and reload current scene will restart it. Now, if you want a button press to restart your level, go to project settings, then input map, type the name for your restart, the input we created within.
Get tree reload currency. Okay. Reload. Oh, is it only get tree? Get tree. Dot reload current scene. Okay, I'm wondering if this will, how much this will ruin things. And death screen, we need a funk. We need a ready for this guy here. Actually, no, we don't. I don't, does the player emit anything else after? Gun goes player. I thought I had set up a, huh. Did I not? Okay, I was like just way at the bottom. Oh no, everything else was just condensed and I couldn't see it for some reason. Funk on death. We need the signal bus again. And we need signal. And then on the gun goes player, we want on death to signal bus dot emit dot on player dot emit. There we go. And what do we want on that? I guess we can just have the death screen know it. Funk. Ready. Signal bus dot connect. Signal bus dot on player death dot connect. Could I just say I wonder, could I just do... I wonder, could I just do this? No, it requires it. Yeah, I'll do this like that. Show death screen. Visible equals to true. Show death screen. There we go. Okay, so if we are show death screen, visible is equal to true, and if visible is equal to true, do that. That's done on death for the player. Okay, let's see if this works. This guy's gonna hop like crazy, gun me down. Jump to restart. And something else I want to do is set our death screen process to be always. And on our death screen, then we just want to, I think, get tree. Nope. Nope. Okay, get tree. This is equal to true. I wonder if doing this will like let me reload the entire thing. This guy's just gonna gun me down. Oh, yeah, then look at that. Here, hold on. I ain't gonna do that. We are going to... Yeah, okay, that's fine though. We got a death screen. So we wanted depausing. Well, the pausing's whatever, but we have, yeah. Death screen with the quick restart function, done. One screen with level completed, okay. I think that's done in the level setup. I know how I feel about this in particular, but if it works, it works, you know, I'm not gonna complain. Level stats UI, no. Weapons UI, no. Show you the level setup. There you go. Yep. Update enemy count is on enemy death. Let's go to that, and we're gonna say if enemies in level dot size is less than or equal to, always do less than equal to, or at least that's what I'm doing to, just to, in a weird case that it creates a it's like it just goes negative inside for some reason. I don't know why, it just always works feel better when I do that. Let's see, add a death screen. Okay, so now what we want to do is we basically want to take all of this and make a new one. Okay, cool. So let's do this, that. Says control node, make it the entire screen. Add I'll set this as level clear, or just call it clear screen. And I'm just gonna see if I can, how much of this I can copy without it freaking out. If I can make this unique, I definitely do. Make unique, change this to like a screen. Shift G so I can see a little bit better. Make sure death screen is affected. Perfect. Okay. So now what I want to do is, let's see if I can just copy this. Do I have to make anything else on here unique? Like, I know I have theme overrides, but I don't think I have to make anything unique here. Let's onto this control. Exercise. Instead of shake, we're gonna set this to wave. Then what we're going to do is take this other one we have set up here, like that. We're going to do, whoa, oh, just curious your child, that, there we go. What's this one? Make that about that, there we go. And how is this set up? I'm gonna check out the stuff. What I have set up for this? Yeah, with level time. Alright. UI. We want level stats UI. Time, oh yeah. This is a specific thing. There we go. We need this. It's that string right there. Okay, so this clear time is going to be set to that. We actually just need that. And then we're going to take on our, cancel, save this. Our death screen, we're going to take this here. And this control. There we go. There we go. And did I just name this windscreen of death screen? Because we're gonna call this one windscreen. Got a meal, that's what's up. I could use one of those myself. Did I set my timer again? Yes, I did. Alright, cool. Let's do this. We're gonna say this one is the level complete time. And we're gonna give this a script called windscreen scripts. Nope, not that. No. Scripts, windscreen, GD, yep. Make sure here it's from control. Correct. Cool. That complete time. Boop, there we go. And we're gonna say funk. Ready. And we're gonna do signal bus connect. That's not how you spell connect in any capacity. And we're gonna go to our signal bus. See if I. Alright, cool. Signal on level complete. There we go. Oh, do I even have to do that? We don't need this, we don't need this. We do need the level stats. We don't need that. We need the level setup. Don't need, well, main, yes. But we need the, we need the level setup script. I just got rid of that by accident. Oh, cool. There we go. Don't need level stats UI script right now, but for this guy, what we need to do is we need to connect signal bus dot on level complete dot connect, and we need to do a funk show win screen, and there's a couple things we're gonna do for this one. I think, does level stats contain how much time was time over the text is equal to time text time. What is keeping track of time? It's level setup is keeping track of time. I think, time elapsed. Okay, short break, but I just want to set this up. Yeah, there we go. So this is what's calling it. So what we want is we want the signal bus to say on level complete. We want to pass in time as a float value. There we go. On our level setup, we want to say signal bus dot on level complete dot emit with time elapsed. There we go. And then what that does is it talks to the windscreen, and show windscreen is going to take a time float. And we just need to signal bus on level complete show windscreen. There we go. Don't know why that didn't just break. We need that, and what we want to do is we want to set complete time dot text is equal to this with I think it's %2f. I think it's .2f. There we go. Wrap that all in some quotes. And with time as our argument, and that should be .2f. Yep. .2f. There we go. And func update func input, which we want to use for that, and if event that is action press jump print okay. And oh yeah, show windscreen. We also want this to be invisible. Is equal to true. There we go. All right, cool. Now in the sandbox, we just add in our windscreen. Set that to that, make sure that the mouse input ignores it. There we go. And let's see. Now our dude's gonna gun us down very quickly. If I don't move fast enough, he's gonna be like that, and boop, boop, boop. Okay, cool. Let me just look for print in the scripts folder. There we go. Print linear velocity, don't need that anymore. Print body, don't need that anymore. Yeah, save it. Refresh. Print details runner, don't need that anymore. Refresh. Done. Okay, that got rid of all our print statements. Oh, you know what? Hey, look at that. Oh, it must be because I died. Okay, that's something to fix, but let's take a break. Because we basically just did this. Hold on, there we go. And let's see. now it is time for the break portion. I'll be right back. Alright, that's basically the break. We back to it. Okay, so we just need to fix this one thing for the death screen, which is basically if this is happening. It's going to consume the input event for gameplay input, unhandled input. Do I have to set? Maybe I could just set like how it handles input a little bit differently. Shortcut context. Process mode, priority 1. I don't want to do this. Ordering, don't want to do this. Control mode. Focus. Input shortcut kind of control mode. Ooh, okay. Damn. Is the death screen higher priority than the win screen? It is. Ah! Okay, that does happen. This is what we can do as well. There is small projectiles. Where is it? Shoot. If it's on floor, blah blah blah. Single shoot, single identifier is equal to true. There we go. I want that. And can be possessed is equal to false. There we go. This should hopefully prevent it, or it's like, oh no, oh god, you got me. Okay, so that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is just setting up. I'll just fix it later. But the other way of doing it is just setting it up where it's like, oh, if the game's in a win state, you can't change it. Work in progress, we need a test level with multiple enemies. So this is where we actually get to have a little more messing around here. And so far, I think the enemy can only have like, oh, now look at that. I like pistol code right now. Wait, didn't I write shotgun code for this enemy? Oh yeah, I did. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, I remember now. It's a huge pain in the butt. But shotgun's ready. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. All right. Let's create a brand new 3D scene. Yeah. Under level. Oh yeah, did I start my timer? Yeah, I did. Under levels, we're gonna create this one called test level, and I'm pretty sure I imported some Kenny assets, but we're not gonna really mess with them. I think for now. So yeah, I did put the Kenny building kit because I have to re-import some of this stuff so it makes more sense. For now, we are just going to make these a collection of CSG boxes. First off, actually, let me get this right. We need a mesh. Nav region 3D. Way too used to Unreal. It's like nav mesh. There we go. And you will have. Boop. There we go. Now this guy will be this, and to this we will add the CSG. Yeah, no, I've been back for a minute. Language is potentially 1.5 to 1.5 million years old. That's insane. Let's get the box. There we go. Compare on code snapping. And let's go to scenes. Oh, whoops, this is the K add-ons. There we go. The player doesn't even need a mesh. I don't know why I give it a mesh. There we go. CSG box. Oh, I forgot I can do this. Oh, wrong one. Wrong that. Okay, so we got our floor now. It's collision. Perfect. Where's our guy here? Cool. Now let's say this is our floor. Oh my god, this would have been a perfect time to use trench broom, but I'm not doing all of that again. Just go to snapping and just make sure that our floor is just above there. There we go. I can't see anything in the void. And then if I hit this, oh no, cool. What happens if I flip the faces? There we go. Oh yeah, and I just realized it needs to be slightly below. There we go. Whoops. Whoa, okay. Guess I don't flip faces? Weird. I thought that would be the correct way to do it. Because like now, oh yeah, there's no environment. I just realized that. So we need to add in our ambient occlusion. We need to add 2 environments for our scene. There we go, and let's see. Nope, I forgot. Keep in the wrong one. This is our current level now. And okay, so you can see everything. This Gun Ghost player right here. It has floor 2, but this should be walls. And calculate that, so we can't do anything inside of there, except we can just be our player. Keep in the play button, don't mean to do that. There we go. Okay. Nice. Now we have a big old level box we can work with. And that's still a long time. I know you're talking about the language you work on, but that's far beyond my purview. Okay, cool. So we're just gonna set up a level with some... How do I want to handle this? Right now, we'll set this as... Actually, the wall shouldn't even be in the nav mesh. And let's control all these from now. So I can't like click on it, but I can do, and we're gonna control L, our floor here. Let's add some really basic like walls and junk we can add to the floor, so we can get like another CSG box. Where'd that guy go? It's over here. There we go. And put that like right there. Get that here. It's a big level, but that's okay. Interesting. Can, like, I mess around with the edges of the CSG mesh? Or no? This is like a CSG box mesh. Could I do like this? Duplicate it, move it up like that. Duplicate it, move it up like that. And then, are these stairs too steep for our guy to move on? They do look like they'd be a little steep, but I could just jump right over them, and they're not. Let me see if she can move there. There we go. Oh, cool. Oh, your origins are way off. Got like this little ramp section thing here that I made. And then if it's a CHG combiner, could I just give it all the same material? I can. Oh, cool. All right. It's like too much of a slope. But what if I like did that? No, that's still too much of a slope. Interesting. So if I use the CSG combiner and then I say use collision, this will always act like a static body. No collision shape is still active even the CSG itself is hidden. Can I set up like how the collision itself would work? Visual instance 3D, no 3D. Calculate tangents. Calculate tangents allows to use normal axis only use direction. Okay, cool. So even though we have something like this, it just takes everything into account. So if I do this and it's like, oh, this is like a little half step, wrong one. This needs to, is it F6? Yeah, it's F6. It's like still too high of a slope for a guy. Interesting. So if I go here and I'm looking at this floor, oh, I have it set to stop on slope. So this allows us to do some like sliding nonsense, but oh my god. Oh, I think the max step angle is 45. Oh, that's why. Okay. So let's do that. Because it's looking for some stair mesh nonsense. Now we can do it. Alright, cool. So let's just delete all of the, let's delete all this here. Just add like a bunch of obstacles and slopes and stuff. They use a mesh as a resource. Interesting. Oh, cool. So if I don't have any meshes on its own. Oh, okay. I'm understanding this a lot more now. I'm getting ahead of myself though. Let's just create some boxes of various shapes and sizes. Use all of them to use collision, like so. And it's kind of weird scaling them without. So we can like get some like walls in here, some cover. Like that. Let me be very careful because I see where this is going and I'm not liking it. Couple of jumps. Places that they can't really get up to unless, I don't know, we got like a ramp in there or something like that. No, we're just making some nonsense here. And then let's add like, I don't know. Do we got cylinders? Yes, we do. Where are they? Oh, I made that as a child of that. Oh, all of these need to be children of this. There we go. Have some fun with this. Now all of these should use collision. Perfect, they're already set up for that. No, they're not. It was a lie. Nice. And if I was to take, what happens if, like, what's this level look like when we play it? Very abstract, I like that. We can go up this ramp. Pew, 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 pew. And we're out of ammo. Okay. Oh, wait, did I? Oh, I did add an ammo counter. It's just you can't see it because, the whole thing is just like this white void. Okay. Can I just, like... Got all this nonsense here. We got textures for Kenny. Oh, wait, that's the wrong Kenny textures. There we go. Just looking for materials. And let's go dark so it doesn't hurt our eyes too much. Boom. Okay. Now everything's kind of like this, you know, everything's kind of fun here. Select our cylinders. I'll give them, not light, maybe green. Okay, no, it's doing everything like, alright, that's fine. Control Y. Control, no. Okay. Oh wait, did I break another material? No, I didn't. Alright, that's good. Which sucks. It's triplanar, but it's not like being nice to us here. Oh yeah, I forgot. This, each level needs this guy. I wonder if this will breaks. No, it doesn't. No enemies remaining though. The ammo isn't. I just realized ammo's not set up by default. Stop on slope on. Yeah, why are we sliding them? Slide on the ceiling. Interesting. Okay. Good to know that's not breaking. Bad to know that the ammo counter isn't working at the default. But we got a bunch of stuff in here, which is good. Let's try baking the nav mesh, see what that makes us. Okay, cool. And let's put in a bunch of enemies. Just like all around the map here. Alright. Whoa, okay. Okay, the enemies don't have a default gun. I didn't realize that. Alright. Let's give him one. Oh yeah, the enemy has a rotator, I forgot I set that up. So let's give it the shotgun. There we go. Whoa. Oh, did the wrong one again, and okay. Goal position on nil instance. That wasn't a problem before. Are the enemies loading in before the player does? Oh yeah, because it's loading from top to bottom. Look at that. So I guess the player should be at the bottom. Or bottom to top, that's what it is. Oh crap, they got me. Alright, what else isn't happening? So I noticed that the enemy counter doesn't update. Which is also interesting. Look above here, canvas layer. Let's sets UI. Oh, I didn't give our no 3D test. What? I didn't give it the script. This is actually so much easier to read. There you go. You don't need anything to work either. You just need to. There we go. Wait, why did that one enemy just... Oh. Oh, wait, did I not... Are dummy enemies in a... Oh, they're not in the enemy group by default. Alright. There we go. Boom. Wait, wrong one. Okay. Now we got some... Oh. Okay, why did that happen again? Is that just gonna randomly happen? It's so weird. Okay. And the jump to restart isn't working because it's not set to the test level. So if I go here to our main node, delete sandbox, and then just pop in our test level, run the project. Cool. So then if we have a... Cool. Alright. That is our test level with multiple enemies. Nice. Now we just need an AI that only shoots when the player's in the line of sight. Yeah, no, I remember you saying that at the beginning. It's just, that is crazy. I should probably eat. I think I might take a quick lunch break and then come back. Well, actually, I want to see if the enemies will follow us up like a slope before I go and eat. Okay. This is hard. Okay, that's not gonna happen, but let's just say let's do this. Test level with multiple enemies. Need lives counter. Am I gonna give the player ability? Yeah, the player's ability is to possess enemies. And you just after you like do enough damage to them, you can possess them. Then you get whatever stats and guns they have. Need lives indicator. Show how low the player is and oh wow, look at that. Perfect timing. Okay, I know we have some pasta, so I'm gonna go get a quick bowl of pasta. And once I eat, we're going to continue. And we're probably just gonna improve the the AI is pathing a little bit. What I do want to see though is you can see visible paths to see what the AI does. That's always fun. Okay, I guess we need editor, visible navigation. my visible paths. Oh, that's just, oh my god. This is tough. Alright. I have to do it, or do I have to just like set that up in the enemy itself? Oh, yeah, I do. Oh god. Cool. Kind of freaks out when yourself. Okay, but okay. Be right back. Going to go eat, and then we're gonna continue. Okay, I am back. Let's see, did I start the music? I did. Oh no. Music was just done at a... Yes, I see you, Jethro. What's good, buddy? Okay. Super Certified Yummer. Super is pretty good. Okay. Let's see. We're now on the step of like improving AI. Oh, where are we at? AI. Oh, okay, yeah. So this one's gonna be pretty straightforward, and I think it's time we learned how to use a brand new. Let's see what's Ghost Mesh and Mesh. Yeah, there's two things we created here. It's time we learned how to use this thing I learned about called Behave. Get ready for the flashbang because this is going to. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we're gonna try to learn how to use this before today, and behavior trees are something we tried to do on this channel before. Never really had much luck. So let's see if we can do this. Blackboard. Oh, cool. All right. So we just simply add this. Then what we do is, let's see. Oh. I don't know if we do this today or we do this on another stream. We might just end today's stream with playing some. Yeah, we might end today's stream with just playing some. I Am Your Beast to figure out like what we want to do specifically. Nice, nice. Sounds good. Yeah, because my brain's kind of fried right now. I don't think this is enough time to actually fully learn how to use this. Not sure what we should do right now. Let me add the lives counter actually. I think that's like one of the more important things we can do. Okay, that's easy. What's that look like if I just like put that in the... Yeah, that's not great. Okay, didn't error out. That's good. Weird that it starts off from the center, but we'll take that. We'll take it. Okay, we'll finish this later. So I'm getting burnt out, and I know I'm not going to give you guys good content if I'm like not talking for the next 2 hours. Okay, that's gonna do it for today then. We have about 2 hours in total. So, going on in order, special thanks to Safe for popping in the chat, keeping it populated, and bringing in a friend, Austistical Dream Animations. Love that name. And last but not least, 7Flame80 for popping in a return viewer. Pretty much all of you, actually, except for Austistical. Glad to see y'all. And I will see you guys in the next one.